They mock me, no, no. They laughed at me, no, no. They mock me, no. Yeah. They mock me. They laughed at me. They said stop talking. They said keep quiet. But when I tried to hold it in, his word became fire. Shut up in my bones, and I could not stay silent. Fire in my bones, I know if you keep quiet.
I try what I mean, but it ain't rise higher.
They say make I stop, say I talk too much.
But truth no be truth if you know talk.
Fire in my bones, it dey burn my chest.
If I no talk, now I no go rest.
I no be rebel, I just dey obey.
When God talk, silence no dey.
They call me madman, call me disgrace. Say my prophecy bring bad news to place. I cry for the city, they laugh for my pain. Say make us soft talk, don't mention their sin. I want kings, priests, common man. They say I they spoil their plans. Every time I open my mouth, trouble follow, shame come out. I tell God
I don't tire for this road.
they beat me, chain me, drag me, go court. I swear, say I no go talk again, but the word come back like flame. I say, Lord, I don't do my part, but his voice they tear my heart. When I try to stay silent, the fire they rise higher in my bones.
I know if you keep quiet.
I try what I mean, but it they rise higher.
They say make I stop, say I talk too much.
But truth no be truth if you no touch. Fire in my bones,
See they burn my chest.
if I no talk, now I no go rest. I no be rebel, I just they obey.
When God talk, silence no dey.
Born am, fire no dey lie. If you come from God, he must testify. Born am, truth go show. Even if they hate me, I go still go.
You can love peace and still speak war. When sin they rule and pride they wrong. You can cry inside and still stand tall. When God send message, we go shake wall.
They say prophets are supposed sweet, say make it run with prosperity. But if judgment they for the land, who go on the people if I stand? I look my life, I look my scars. Everyone approves, say this thing hard. I prefer pain with obedience than peace with disobedience. I said I will not mention him, I will not speak his name again. But his word was in my heart, like fire, shut up in my bones. I was wary of holding it back, and I could not. No sugar coat through, no paint and fine. No trade conviction for peace of mind. The fire there, he go burn away. False comfort, false display.
Fire in my bones, I know if you keep quiet.
I try what I mean, but it dey rise higher.
They say make I stop, say I talk too much.
But truth no be truth if you no touch. Fire in my bones,
See they burn my chest.
if I no talk,
Now I no go rest.
I no be rebel, I just dey obey.
When God talk, silence no dey.
Lord, I know ask to be chosen,
Ask to be chosen.
but since you put fire inside me, yeah,
Put fire inside me.
I go speak. Even if not me alone.